Good morning, friends, and welcome back to another story time. It's awesome to see you guys this morning. Thanks so much for coming back and checking out our story time. Today I have some really exciting news for everyone. You guys ready? Let's take a look at all of our new books that just went out a couple days ago. Look at those. There's so many. Ready for you guys to check them out. How exciting, right? Today we are going to be looking at a brand new book that just came in just a couple weeks ago. It is called Two Tough Trucks. And that is by Rosen Schwartz and Jessica Gomez. You guys ready? It's a brand new book. We're so excited. All right. One Mac revved up and he was ready to go. One rig, a wreck, steady and slow. Two trucks are off to school for their first day of class. One riding the brakes and the other one hitting the gas. Vroom, zoom, a beep, beep, goodbye. A rig holding back and a Mac saying hi. Miss Rhodes said, "Good morning, let's head to the track." She puts them in pairs, matching rig up with Mac. Each team will attempt every task on the list. The circuit, let's do this. Watch out for the twist. Vroom, zoom, a wobble and whirl, a shaky blue blob and a speedy red blur. Looks like our little rig over here is definitely a little scared about school. Can you guys relate to that? Are you scared about school? One Mac and one rig and one very sharp turn. Let's roar it and floor it. Burn, baby, burn. Oh no, hit the brakes. We won't make it, Rig cried. But Mac sped up. Just hug the inside. Vroom, zoom, a swish and a swerve. Rig skidded out, but Mac aced the curve. Miss Rhodes blew her horn. She ran to the next drill. Practice downshifting to get up that hill. Let's see, can they do it? They moved up the slope, and with a shift and a grind, this hill is too easy. Don't leave me behind. Vroom, zoom, their truck engine straining, a rig who was stalling, and a Mac who kept gaining. Uh-oh, our poor rig. He's so scared. That's okay, I bet he'll be courageous. One Mac reached the crest. I knew I was fast. One rig did his best, but finished dead last. Good grief, grumbled Mac. My partner's a drag. That hotshot, said Rig, he sure loves to brag. Uh-oh. Vroom, fume, they vented and fussed. A Mac making tracks and a rig in the dust. It's time to go backward. The trucks got in gear. They checked their mirrors. They struggled to steer. They veered and corrected. They turned and reversed. Rig had good instinct, but Mac was... Oh no. The worst! Vroom, zoom, a whoosh and a whack, a confident rig and a blundering Mac. Oh my gosh. Guys, they traded places. I nailed it, said Rig as he finished the course. He turned just as Mac hit the cone full force. Mac idled his engine. "I quit. I can't do it," he said. "Steer left to go right. I'll help you guide through it." Vroom, zoom, they backtracked and bumped. A Mac making progress and a rig feeling pumped. Guys, they're helping each other. Oh, it's so nice. One Mac and one rig, two trucks side by side, weaving past cones. "We did it," they cried. "You really stuck by me. You needed me, Mac. Let's head back together and tackle that track." Oh, that is such good teamwork. Vroom, zoom, they zipped around bends. Two tough trucks, now the fastest of friends. Oh, do you guys like that book? Man, that one was so fun. I loved it. It was awesome. We have tons of more awesome stories just like this one that just came into our collection. So make sure that you guys check them out. All right, guys, that's it for me. I will see you next time. Bye.